welcome back to my channel. Angela here, what it do? And I'm back, you guys, with another unboxing. You want to see what I got? Keep on watching. Okay. Alright, sister girl. So, I've been back shopping. And for real, y'all, this might be my last purchase for a minute. If not this, maybe one more, but for a minute, y'all, we're gonna have to relax. But this is not a wish list item. This was something that I was looking at. It was unexpected. This is an unexpected purchase, okay? So, I think the receipt is in here. I'm gonna break my nail, girl. I don't like these new boxes. Okay. I'm gonna find my receipt. Maybe she emailed it. Just take it out, girl. Alright, you all. So the bag that I got is the On The Go East West in reverse monogram. How stinking cute is this bag, y'all? Like, it's so cute. So I didn't know if I was going to get this one or the black one, but my store, they didn't get any of the black ones at all. And I looked up because this was the last one available and my SA was holding it for me. Y'all, look how beautiful. Oh my God, like, look how beautiful this bag is, y'all. This is absolutely stunning. Look at that. So Forever Ebony has this bag, and Melissa, I think her name is Melissa Adams Wade, she has it as well. But she had, I think hers is Turtle Dove, I think. Stunning, y'all. Absolutely stunning. So here's one side. Here's the reverse side, and it has a D-ring right here and the other one right here for the strap. Zipper pull, pretty substantial zipper pull. It's reflecting in the light. There you go. So, girl, open. Don't embarrass me. Okay, girl, sit it down. Okay. So when you open it, we have this crossbody strap. Girl, this strap does nothing for the kid. Nothing. It is not long enough for me. Like, you need to be like 5 feet. Like, So, that's that. But this, look at this chain, y'all. Look at this chain. Focus, baby. It's focusing on everything, but look at that. With the black leather that goes between it. Y'all, this is so cute. Like, this is so stinking cute. And here is the inside. Okay. Here's the other side. So the reverse side is the back of the bag. And mine was made in France. Girl, what's the focus on? Okay, mine was made in France. Okay, so it just has one big pocket right here. Here's the product information if you should need it. Okay. So, let's put this strap on here. So if you don't want to carry it with this strap, I believe how they used to make them when they very first came out. I think these came out last year. When they first came out, it came with the guitar strap. So I do have the high-rise bum bag, and it has a guitar strap. So I can wear this with that as well if I want to. But I think I might just go ahead and invest in the the longer strap, like the one that comes on the Pochette Matisse. I don't have that bag, but that strap is the bee's knees. So I might just go ahead and bite the bullet and get one. But y'all, look at that. Look, girl. Look at that. Is that not stunning? Like, is that not absolutely stunning? I'm going to get a organizer from Zumani to go in this, as I did with all of my other ones. Y'all, she is beautiful. And y'all, for a moment, I thought maybe it would clash with this bag. I mean, yes and no. It's two totally different vibes. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's the same yet different. You know what I'm saying? I thought it would clash, but no. I love them both. I still have the plastic on this. I wore this and I got so many compliments when I wore this cutie patootie out the other day. And if you're curious as far as like length or whatever, this bag is everything, y'all. Everything. But anyway, the on the go is slightly longer. Not by much. I don't know if y'all can see that. Can you see? Maybe like a few centimeters. It's ever so slightly. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's right here, ever so slightly longer than the Keep All 25. But y'all, yes, I'll be doing a what fits inside of this and the other one real soon. But I just want to come on and show you guys my latest purchase. You guys, we love her. What do you think? What do you think? Alright, you guys, so that concludes this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys, and I will see you guys again shortly.